Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to study example number 3 of practice set 2.2 of chapter 2nd real numbers of standard 9. Example is represent the numbers root 5 and root 10 on a number line. These are irrational numbers. For that we have to draw first a number line. Both numbers are positive, that's why they will on right side of 0. That's why I start from here. Here I plot one point, that is 0, origin. Now on right side draw some units. 1 unit. Now 1 unit is equal to, you can take 1 centimeter, 1 unit you can take 2 centimeter, 1 unit you can take 3 centimeter, as your choice. But we don't say it centimeter, we will say it unit, 1 unit. Now see here, this is 1 unit. Now how much distance, that depends on you. You can take 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, but here this is 1 unit. Here 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units these are. After that, now first number we want root 5. If we want root 5, we have to draw a perpendicular line on root 4. Root 4. For root 5, draw a perpendicular on root 4. And root 4 means what? Square root of 4, 2. That's why using set square, using protractor, draw a perpendicular line on 2. Means this is root 4, square root of 4. And this is perpendicular. Okay, now in rounder, take this unit, take the distance, whatever distance we have taken as a 1 unit, take that distance in rounder, and from this point draw arc from here. Unit is same. These are from here to here, these are now 2 units, but from here to here this is 1 unit. 1 unit. Here I give name AB. Okay. Now you see here OBA is a right angle. Perpendicular is here. OBA is a right angle. Join OA with the scale. It will be a right angle triangle here. Now here right angle triangle OBA is formed. What is distance OB? 2 units. What is distance of this AB? 1 unit. After that, iron tip of rounder you put on O, iron tip, pencil tip on A, and by taking this distance you draw arc on x-axis, and this point we get root 5. Root 5. Now how is this? Let's see. In right angle triangle ABO, okay, or OBA. Now this is right angle triangle. We can use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, one side square plus other side square. Hypotenuse OA. OA square is equal to OB square plus AB square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Now let's find value. OA square is equal to OB 2 square plus AB 1 square. OA square is equal to 2 square 4, 1 square 1. I write here. Therefore OA square is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. And therefore OA is equal to square root of 5. And therefore wherever that arc will come, this number is root 5, square root of 5. In this way we get irrational number root 5. Similarly root 10. Now if you want root 10, square root of 10, draw a perpendicular line on square root of 9. Square root of 9, and square root of 9 means 3. Correct? Same to that of this, we have to draw a perpendicular on square root of 3. This is perpendicular. Now how much unit? 1 unit. Same distance from here to here, draw arc. This height is same. 1 unit. Height is same. I give another name here, PQR8. Now again, I join this hypotenuse, OP. Again, OQP is right angle triangle. This is again 1 unit here. And this is 3 unit. Okay. Same way we can find here. Now this is 3 unit. 3 square plus 1 square. 3 square 9. 9 plus 1 10. And this is square root of 10. We get square root of 10. Again, iron tip of rounder you put on O, pencil tip on P, and draw arc. This number you get square root of 10. In this way we can represent irrational number on a number line. Let's see the example number 4. Write any 3 rational numbers between the 2 numbers given below. Here 2 numbers are given and we have to find any 3 rational numbers between them. That is open-ended example, because here between these 2 numbers there are so many rational numbers between them. That's why this example is of open-ended question. Let's see the solution, and it is very easy. If you want any number, here it is given any 3, we can find any 4, 5, 6, whatever number is given. What we have to do, we have to just find their average. Average of these 2 numbers. That was see one by one. First, now A. 3 numbers we will find. Find out average of this. First number. Now 0.3. Find average of these 2 numbers. 0.3 plus, now this is negative, that's why I write in bracket, minus 0.5 divided by 2 means half, average, is equal to, let's solve this, 0.3 plus minus 0.5 upon 2 is equal to, now 0.3, here subtraction I am going to sign minus, and subtraction 0.2 divided by 2 is equal to, if we reduce, here we get minus 0.1. First number we got. This number will come between that, minus 0.1. Okay. Now average of these 2 is this. Now find out the average of this number with this, average of this and average of this. Average with these 2 numbers now. See, second. Now this and this, average of these 2 numbers. 0.3 plus in bracket, now this, take this number, minus 0.1 divided by 2. Average. First average of this, now this, and after that this is equal to 0.3 plus minus 0.1 divided by 2 is equal to, here subtraction 0.2 upon 2, again 0.1. One more number we got. Now let's find the third number. Third number, take average of this and this, both are negative. Minus 0.1 plus in bracket minus 0.5 divided by 2 is equal to minus 0.1 plus minus 0.5 divided by 2 is equal to minus same sign, I will sign, addition 0.6 divided by 2 is equal to minus 0.3. In this way we got 3 numbers, those are between these 2. Now arrange them. Therefore, on number line, which number will come first? This one, minus 0.3. After that, this minus 0.1 and positive 0.1 are 3 numbers, are 3 rational numbers. Let's solve second example. Minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. We have to find any three rational number between these two. Now here, first of all, we have to make their digits equal. Here after decimal point, here is one digit, here are two digits. Make them equal. Let I write like this: minus 2.3 is equal to minus 2.30. Okay, because here are two. And minus 2.33 is equal to minus 2.33. After decimal point 2 digits, after decimal point 2 digits. Here is 30, here is 33. We want 3 digits between them. 3 digits. But if we see, here are 31 and 32. We get only 2 digits. 31, 32. That's why one more 0. We have to add 300 and here 330. Now we get any three. There are so many numbers now between, but we can find any three between these two now. Therefore, find average of these two numbers first. First number is equal to average minus 2.300 plus in bracket minus 2.330 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2.300 plus minus minus 2.330 divided by 2 is equal to, now same sign addition, higher value sign is minus and addition now 4.630 divided by 2 is equal to, now reduction, minus 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. This is the first number between these two. Now to find average, pair of this number first with this and then second with this. Three numbers we want, that's why. Second number is equal to. Now take average of this and this. Minus 2.300 plus in bracket this number now minus 2.315 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2.300 plus minus minus 2.315 divided by 2 is equal to, now same sign addition, again higher value sign, addition is 4.615 divided by 2. Therefore, minus 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 0 0, here 2 7s are 14. Okay, till 3 digits no need to continue. Second number we got. Now take average of this and this second. Third number. Here I continue. Third number is equal to average of this and this now minus 2.315 plus in bracket minus 2.330 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2.315 plus minus minus 2.330 divided by 2 is equal to, same sign addition higher value sign, 4.645 divided by 2 is equal to minus reduction now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 here also. This is the third number. Okay, and therefore we want any three. Now arrange them, both are negative. 2 to decimal point, after decimal point 2 digits if we, here 2.31, here 2.30 and here 2.32. Now arrange them. Which number will come first on number line? Greater number will come first. 32 minus 2.322, after that 31 here minus 2.315 and then 30 minus 2.307 are 3 rational numbers. Let's solve example number 3. Solution. 5.2, 5.30, make them equal, the digits. Let 5.2 is equal to 5.20 and 5.30, here are already 2 digits, 30, 20, 30, means we get 3 numbers between them. First number is equal to, find out average of these two. 5.20 plus 5.30 divided by 2, average, is equal to, what is addition? 10.50 divided by 2. Then reduction now, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. First number we got. Second number is equal to, now average of this and this, 5.20 plus 5.25 divided by 2 is equal to 10.45 divided by 2 is equal to, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 7s are 14. Second number. Now third number. Third number is equal to, now average of this and this, 5.30 plus 5.25 divided by 2 is equal to, addition 10.65 divided by 2. Again reduction by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Now see numbers, 5.25, 27 and 37. Therefore we can write here 5 point, on number line all three are positive here, therefore 5.25, 5.27, 5.37 are three numbers, are three rational numbers. Let's find example number 4. Both are negative. First let make them equal digits. Minus 4.5 is equal to minus 4.50 and minus 4.6 is equal to minus 4.60. Now let's find the numbers. First number is equal to, average of these two, minus 4.50 plus in bracket minus 4.60 divided by 2 is equal to minus 4.50 plus minus 4.60 divided by 2. Same sign, addition, higher value sign, minus. Addition is 9.10, right? 0 0 6 plus 5 here 11, 1 carried over here, 9 divided by 2 is equal to, reduction now, minus 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. This is the first number. Second number is equal to, now average of this number and this number, minus 4.50 plus in bracket minus 4.55 divided by 2. Here I continue, is equal to minus 4.50 plus minus, here plus minus 4.55 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5 plus 5 0, here 10 1 9 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 52. Third number is equal to, now average of this and this, minus 4.60 plus in bracket minus 4.55 divided by 2 is equal to minus 4.60 plus minus 4.55 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 6 11.9 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. Now see here 0.55, 0.52, 0.57. After arranging them, we get 3 rational numbers.